Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple and cinnamon banana bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. And then in a larger bowl, add in the mashed overripe bananas, buttermilk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. And set it aside, and then peel the apples, and then core and chop them into small pieces. And then place them into a medium bowl, and add in the flour and mix them together until they're combined. And then add them to the wet ingredients, and add in the dry ingredients, and mix them together until they're combined. Grease 2 loaf pans, or just one if you're using a bigger pan, and pour in the batter and bake them in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. And then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make apple and cinnamon banana bread. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.